Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me for another video. I want to go over some of the expectations and then some of the things that you could do this week during our soft closure. This is soft closure number not one, not two, but number three. So let's go ahead and get started. First off, our expectations. I do expect my students to log in every class day into Canvas. That's what we've been using in class. Why not continue to do with what we already know? I expect you to complete the test during your scheduled class day, as well as accomplish any missing work that you have while on the soft closure. Watch all of my YouTube videos and read all of the instructions that I leave you about the assignments and the tests, so on and so forth. Practice science by looking for the answers to your questions yourself. So here we go. Let's break these down a little bit more. So log into Canvas every single day. Okay. The last shutdown, I had over 30 students that didn't even log on to Canvas. I know a couple of the students do not have internet at home, so I expect a couple of the students to struggle while logging in. But the other bunch of students that didn't even log in, that is not doing what's needed, okay? If your internet is spotty, get yourself to the city library, get yourself to McDonald's, Starbucks, heck, even the parking lot at Tooele High School. You can get Wi-Fi in the parking lot. The other places, you can get the internet for free. And, being a high school teacher, I know almost every single one of my students has a cell phone because most of them have had it out while they're not supposed to have it out during a lesson. So I know you know how to use this stuff, and I know that you can get access to the internet. Get somewhere, get the internet, okay? Make sure that you are making you the best you that you can be. I know that's a lot of yous in there, but it's for a reason. Use this time to better yourself, okay? And you do that by doing what you're supposed to be doing. All right, so next expectation. Complete the test during your scheduled class day. So if you are scheduled to have my class on a Monday, take the test on Monday. If you're scheduled to take it on Tuesday, then take it on Tuesday. I will be available during the school day, or I'm sorry, during school hours to answer any questions to the test. So if you take the test during your scheduled class period, it's really easy. If you're struggling with the test, maybe something isn't working quite right, you're not certain quite what something means, and I can answer it without giving you the answer to the question, shoot me an email. I can get you set up right away. Okay, but if you take the test at 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 o'clock at night, I'm not going to be right there to be able to answer that question right away. All right, and then here we go. Accomplish the missing work while on the soft closure. Okay, today, after you complete the test, you have built-in time to complete any missing work. Please use that time wisely. You will be saving nearly 1 hour every single day as we go virtual. Once again, use your time wisely. You've now gained more time instead of the passing periods in which you would visit with your friends or a full lunch. You can now eat your lunch while you're attending school, okay? If you see a score as a 0 in SIS or on your to-do list in Canvas, then that means it's missing. Plain and simple. If you see a score that you don't like, get on that assignment and see what notes I left for you. So if you received less than 100% on an assignment, I more than likely left you notes. So get on that assignment, look at the notes that I left you. If it's a 0, that means it either wasn't done or maybe you uploaded the wrong file, and I do have several assignments that were turned in, but the assignments themselves were blank. So make sure that you uploaded the correct file, such things as that. All work under the Term 2 first half module is due before Friday at 11:59 p.m. We'll talk more about that here in a little bit. Okay, then on to the next expectation. Watch all of the YouTube videos that I make for you this week. Please Read all of the instructions, okay? I get a lot of questions that are covered in the videos that I make, and or in the instructions that I write for the tests or for the assignments. When I only have 30 views on a YouTube video that I made to help answer commonly asked questions, it's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of, why in the heck am I doing this? If I have 170 students that ask me a question and 30 know the answer because they watch the video, okay? So get on YouTube, watch the videos as I send them out to you in the notifications or announcements in Canvas. There we go. Let's see. Those students who are not doing so make sure if the questions are answered in the videos. They simply are, okay? Also, science is about trying to answer your own questions with research. So that leads us straight into the next one, all right? Practice science by looking for the answers to your questions. You will not always have the answers right before you as you grow older in life, okay? Get your critical thinking practice in now and use it on how to find the answers to your questions. If you have intently looked for the answers to your questions about the processes in my class and you still haven't found them, then please reach out to me via Canvas mail or my school email. If a question comes up while you're taking the test, email me ASAP, okay? You don't have to wait on that. The test is on a time constraint. So if you have a question about the test while you're taking the test, shoot me an email ASAP, okay? So that sends us through the expectations. Let's look at Canvas real quick. So here we go. This is the new update on the homepage. Test is today. Review worksheet available in the modules. Test is open notes, not open Google. You guys know the difference. So let's click on the calendar. Here we go. Calendar says, let's see, let me put this guy down here. So we got winter break coming up. I don't know about you, but I'm excited for the snow, for the days off, not so much for the cold, but it's all good. All right, so these are the assignments we've done in the past. Here's where we are today. So let me go ahead and pull up honors chemistry and general chemistry. Okay, so for today, you do have a bell ringer, T2 BR number 5. And for honors tomorrow, T2 BR number 5. Keep on getting email notifications. Okay, electron test version number 1. There will be 3 versions of the test, so you still will get 3 attempts at the test, but each version will be different, okay? Electron test version number 1 opened this morning at 7:55 a.m. I'm not certain what we're going to do Wednesday, Thursday yet, since we're not going to be able to do the Flame Lab. Or maybe I'll just make some root beer for myself and for my family, and then but we'll figure out something that'll show up. Look for another video later today or early Tuesday. The second version of the electron test will be available Wednesday morning at 7:55 a.m. And then on Friday, test version number 3 will be available at 7:55 a.m. Friday. And both of those will stay open until Makeup Monday in January. Okay, so that's the calendar of events. We do have bell ringer on Wednesday, Thursday. That's how I'm taking attendance. So make sure you get on, do the bell ringers. Please, they're simple. If you log on and take the bell ringer, you're pretty much going to get 3 out of 3 points. That's how easy the questions are. But you got to log on to do it. Remember, bell ringers are only open from 7 a.m. until 11:59 p.m. that same day. Okay? So if I have you on a white day, it's open during the white day from 7 a.m. until 1 minute before midnight. Okay? If I have you on a purple day, same thing. Open at 7 a.m., closes at 11:59 p.m. that same day. Okay? So get on, do the bell ringers. I'm just going to give you a little sneak peek of how easy the quiz is for the bell ringers. You ready? Let's take this quiz real quick. The test is open notes and not open Google. True or false? See how tough these questions are? Get your 3 points. Easy peasy. But you got to log on to get it. Okay? Got to log on to get it. All right. So here is the test. Electron test number 1. Please use your paper copy of your periodic table. Everybody should have at least one copy. Some students have like 7 or 8 copies somewhere. How do I know? Because I've handed them to them. Okay, so find your periodic table. It's open notes. So use that periodic table. All the notes that you've written on it, use it. Your notebook that you've written any notes in, use it, okay? Your review worksheet that we did in class, it counts as your notes as well, so use it, okay? You will get 1 attempt for each of the 3 tests. Oops, that's 4. 3 tests. So that still gives you your 3 attempts. Use every single attempt, okay? Once again, open notes does not mean open Google. Oh, I almost missed this. You ready? Each test gets progressively more difficult, but they are all open notes, okay? Yes, they do get more difficult each test. I take the highest of the scores, okay? They're not going to be massively more difficult than the original, but I have to make it a little bit more difficult. So maybe we'll lose some of the multiple choice questions and switch them with fill in the blanks, but it will still be the same topics, okay? If one question was about valence electrons, then the next question will be about valence electrons. It will stay the same number or the same types of questions throughout the test, okay? So that covers, oh, I almost forgot the modules. Here we go. Here's how the modules are broken down. So we see term 2, second half. All of these assignments are open until the last makeup Monday in January, or I'm sorry, in this term, in term 2. So these you can still do all through break. These others that say term 2, first half, these are the ones that close down Friday night, 11:59 p.m. So these are your priorities, okay? Take the test today, open notes, you do it while it's fresh in your brain, and then do any missing work here from the first half of term 2. Some of these assignments, for instance, Smart Book, Quantum Theory, and Science Notebook, Quantum Theory, these 2 assignments are in McGraw-Hill. They're linked from here, but you have to complete them in the McGraw-Hill website, okay? So now you know what you got to do, okay? Once again, if you have a 0 on any assignments or you have a score less than 100%, I more than likely left you notes if you turned in the assignment, okay? Some students turned in assignments and those files were blank, or I was not able to read them because the link was corrupt or the link did not give me access to what I needed to have, or I don't have proper access to the link that you left me. Some students left me their home network link. I can't log on to your home network, so please send it to me a different way, okay? Best of luck on the test this week. I'll come back with another video and get everybody information for Wednesday, Thursday. All right. Have a great day. Good luck.